In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to divide and split shapes in Illustrator. To get started, open your Illustrator document so you can work directly on the design you want to edit. Once your file is open, make sure your shape is already prepared and ready to be modified. This can be any basic or custom shape as long as the path is available for editing. Next, select the shape using the Selection tool. You can also press V on your keyboard, which is a quick shortcut and helps speed up your workflow. Selecting the shape first is important because it ensures Illustrator knows exactly which object you want to work on before you begin cutting. After that, go to the toolbar and choose the scissors tool. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press C. The scissors tool is what allows you to cut directly into a path, which is exactly what we need when separating a section of a shape. Now click directly on the path or edge of the shape where you want to make your first cut. Be sure to click on the actual path and not inside the filled area, because the cut only works when it's placed on the shape's edge. This first click creates the starting point of the section you want to split away. Then click another point on that same path where you want to make the second cut. This defines the segment that will be separated. Try to place your cuts carefully because the distance between those 2 points determines exactly which part of the shape will break away from the rest. Once both cuts are in place, switch back to the Selection tool by pressing V or choosing it from the toolbar. This lets you move and manage the newly separated section more easily. Now click and drag the section between your two cuts. If the cuts were placed correctly, that piece will pull away from the original shape. This confirms that the segment has been successfully divided and is now its own separate piece. At this point, that section is no longer attached to the rest of the shape, so you can reposition it, edit it further, or use it as part of another design element. This is a simple but very useful technique when you need more control over individual parts of a shape in Illustrator. And that's it. That's how to divide and split shapes in Illustrator using the scissors tool. Once you get comfortable with these clicks and shortcuts, the process becomes very fast and precise.